So hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Vibe and I'm back again with another man blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If it's the first time seeing it, do it, subscribe, like, do drop me a comment, and lastly do not forget to share. So right now I want to tell you the simplest, easiest and sweetest way for you to make money now on Poppo. Okay, if you don't know, this is the amount that I have. And if you don't know what Poppo is a live stream app that you can live stream and make money. And once you make that money, you can actually withdraw. I have a lot of videos about Poppo, and people have been making good records about Poppo ever since they come in contact with my, and I've been so grateful with this. That's why I'm still doing the latest update for you guys first. So let me take you guys now. If you're performing your reward on Poppo, just know that the first reward that you are going to perform on Poppo is number one, your face tax. Once you perform your face tax, Poppo is going to give you that 1000 coins of performing your face tax. But now, to get your 800 coins, which is this 800 coins on your crown seat tax, you cannot get it except if you are sitting on the crown seat and then you have up to 800 coins on you. That is when you can get it. Initially, if you sit on Poppo's crown seat, you will get this 800 seamlessly without having any issue. But now it is no longer like that. So if you're having issues of after your life party you can't receive this your 800 coins of your crown seat tax, just know that that is the number one thing that has been keeping you back. Now let's go to this area of buying coins. If you want to buy coins on Poppo right now, it is way expensive, because a lot of people have called me personally to tell me, oh, Vibe with Sonia, now how can we even make money on Poppo? This is how we say Poppo they change their stuff every day. Now you can see I clicked on top up, and why I clicked on top up is because I want it to load so that you can see. Okay, so if it loads up now, you can see that the cheapest coin I can buy here is $10. Okay, it's $10 that I can buy, which is the cheapest coin, and the highest coin I can buy here is $200. Are you guys seeing it? And if you cannot buy coins now to do exchange, at the end of the day, to get this same amount that I'm getting here will be very difficult for you. Yes, it will be very difficult for you if you're streaming right now on Poppo. And that is why I always introduce a platform for you that you can buy coins. Now what you will do with this platform now is you are going to buy coins from this platform and start selling coins on Poppo. I have my friends selling coins on Poppo here, and I know how much they are making. So I will show you the app detailed and how you can follow it exactly so that you can buy coins from Poppo and you'll be selling coins. That's number one. The second thing that you'll be doing here is you will do exchange, gamble and play game, because right now if you're relying on your 800 coins, it no go work. Now let's go. Let me show you guys the app I want to show you that you can buy coins and make more money on Poppo. Like when I mean make more money, you can make even 1000, 2000, 900, 800 USD on Poppo just by selling coins. Okay, let's go. So if you click on the link in the comment section or in the description, it is going to take you to this particular platform, which is called CocoDp for players. I will keep talking about this because my friends are using it and they are thanking me, and a lot of people are also using it and they are thanking me too for introducing them to this place. If you're not making money on Poppo now, go to CocoDp for players. Now the job that you're going to be doing here is what? You are going to go ahead and buy, and you can see that now you can even go ahead and install your CocoDp for players so that it can be very easy for you. But if you don't want to have any corner mistake, click on the link in the description box and go straight to CocoDp for players. Now how do you now get these coins? All you need to do now is to click on this other end, which is this place you're seeing, this your country flag, and choose which country that you are. Like I said, and I'll keep saying it, if you are in a country that CocoDp for players is not available, it is not a barrier for you. All you need to do is to check any of this country where you have your friends, your family. Is it Uganda, Tanzania? Is it Singapore? Any country at all. And then what you're going to be telling them is, please, you send them the link. If you send them the link, you're going to give them your Poppo UID. If you give them your UID, they are going to be able to buy coins for you no matter where they are. And it will appear in your own Poppo end no matter where you are too. And then you can use it sell it to people and make money. Now click on this place that is looking like this human head. The only thing you're required to do here now is to go ahead and log in with your mail, with your Google accounts. You understand? So if you have not logged in, go ahead and log in, and I'll log in my own. This is me logging in, guys, and you can see that it is loading. So once you are done logging in, this is how the interface will look like. Okay. And the good part I love about CocoDp is that they have a lot of events that is going out. So anytime there is an event, just like a Thanksgiving event, they'll put it out here. If they have an Halloween event, but we're going to talk about all of that later. Now, for you to be able to buy coins, all you need to do is to check out the particular coins that you want to get. Okay. Now, how do you check out the particular coin that you want to get? You have to go back to the interface, and of which this is the interface. Okay, if you scroll down, you're going to be seeing Bigo Live, Emo, Star Maker, Miko, Poppo Life, and Up Life. Now we're going to be specific about Poppo Life. So if you're doing Bigo, you can do the same. If you're doing Emo, you can go ahead. Okay, so now if I click on Poppo Life now, it is going to load, and once it's loaded like this, you are going to be seeing the amount of coins that you want to purchase. So any amount of coins that you click, it is going to show you. Because I'm in Nigeria, and for now they don't have them in Nigeria, but I know they are working towards getting them down to Nigeria here. You can see that once I click, it's going to be showing me in Kenya shillings. You understand? So now, which particular one you want to buy? So you're going to pick. So let's assume you're picking this one. And if you pick this one, it will show you the exact amount that you're going to buy it in Kenya shillings. If you times this with the one that is in Poppo live stream, you're going to see that is way too different. Even most of my friends that are in Kenya and Ghana, they've been telling me thank you as well. So what do I do? What I do basically is to tell my girlfriend that, please, this is my ID, buy coins for me, and it will reflect in my account. Now, if I click on buy now, if you are in your own country now that you can buy, you click on buy now. Once you click on buy now, you're going to put in your UID. So your UID is your Poppo ID, you understand? So if you put in your Poppo ID here, automatically it is going to what? Credit your account once you click on buy. But listen to what they said. They said, attention, make sure to fill the correct ID. So if you fill the wrong ID, now you can't get problem. So make sure that you go and cross-check your ID very, very well before you go directly to click on buy now. So now if I click on buy now, okay, let me click on buy now. You can see that it is going to be loaded like this, where it is going to be showing you, okay, what do you want to pay with? Is it coin conny or mobile money? You understand? You go ahead and pick the one that you want to buy with. You understand? And once you click on it, take for example, you want to use mobile money, for example, you are good to go. All you need to do is to click on buy now. So if you are in a country whereby CocoDp is not available yet, all you need to do, like I said from the earlier part of this video, is locate someone that is in that country. You understand? Tell the person that you want to buy coins. And how do you sell these coins? Very, very easy for you. Tell your agency that you are selling coins, because your agency are always online. If your agency is not always responding to you, please let me know so that I can drop King Richie's agency for you. King Richie's agency will help you announce it when you want to buy coin. Because I remember when I wanted to buy coin, he told me that, okay, if I want to buy coin, I have someone that is selling coin. The person is in his agency. So your agency will help you announce, and you will also be able to like make friends and announce on the app. Trust me, you're going to be making money. Now let me show you the special part of this Poppo CocoDp that I love so much. What I love so much about CocoDp is for you to join and begin to win cash prizes for yourself. You understand what I'm trying to say? All what you need to do is to click on the link in the description as well. The Facebook page is there where you're going to click and follow them on Facebook. Now they have different events that they are celebrating, and in any of these events you stand a chance to win a lot of prizes. You understand? Some events they will come and say that, okay, you're going to get like 10% off of any coins you are buying, and if you get all of those percentage, you are going to be enjoying. Take for example, you can see this one. They said Superstar Blast Super Sub Black Friday sales is here. Enjoy up to what? 10% off of your favorite game items during the limited time event. Don't miss out. You understand? And aside this, again, there are some events. You can see this one. Okay, they say Happy Thanksgiving. This is like a Thanksgiving event. You understand? Now there are some events that will come, and they will tell you that if you participate in the event by just liking the post and doing other small that they're going to bring, you stand a chance to gain more coins and also win
either $20 or $9, like depend on what they want to offer in that particular event. So it is very important for you to also do what? Join this Facebook link. Don't start using CocoDp without joining their Facebook page. It is very important. Check the description, check the link. Everything you need is there, and there is no way, I repeat, there is no way you're not going to be making money on Poppo. You understand? If you have any question at all, let me know. I want you to make money on Poppo live stream app, to be specific, because I know how Poppo has blessed me, and that's why I'm introducing this to you guys as well. Anyways, thank you so much for staying with me to the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and likely do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Start making money, call me and send me money. I love you. Mwah.